Hey there everyone, and welcome back to our course of Canva for Basic to Advanced. Now for this lesson number 16, we are going to go through banners. So I'm going to teach you on how you can create your own banner. It can be for Facebook, it can be for any kind of group, Facebook group. It can be for a Facebook page, it can be for your Twitter cover banner as well. It can be for your YouTube cover banner as well. So without further ado, let's not waste any more time and let's dive right into the class and see how it is done. Now, as you can see, I have opened up Canva over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in banner while opening up a new project. And as you can see, you have normal banner for landscape. Then you have normal banner for portrait. You have blog banner. You have Canva banner. You have a Canvas banner. You have classroom banner. You have dog banner, mobile banner ad. You have outdoor banners as well. You have Reddit banner, then retractable banner, and so and so. So I'll just go with the normal default banner landscape because this is overall, you can use this anywhere as a Facebook cover, Facebook page cover. So let's say you have a shop or you run a business of a clothing brand and you can you want to give a big sale. You can also make an advertisement banner for that as well. As you can see underneath the templates over here, this is one of those types of banners, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a page like this so we can shift between those two. So I'm just gonna go through some banners. As you can see, most of them like beauty products, then you have fashion, then you have shoes as well. Fashions as well. So these are mostly like fashions and stuff like that. As you can see, these are the banners. Now you can also go for let's say Facebook banner. If I were to go for, let's say, Facebook cover, as you can see, Facebook cover over here, it also counts as a banner. So this is the Facebook cover exactly. Oh, this is a bit more lengthier, or this one has more height to it compared to this one. As you can see, then you also have YouTube banner as well, or YouTube cover. As you can see, YouTube banner. Another YouTube banner, you also have this one. Which also has a more height than our normal banner over here, but also has less width at the same time. So let's just say that you are trying to go ahead and make a YouTube banner. Okay, so I'm going to close my previous files which I've opened up, and I'll show you how you can go ahead and create a YouTube banner. I'll just take this as a reference over here and create something similar to this so that you can see what it looks like, right? So I'm going to add a new page over here. And after adding a new page, I'm just going to go and see. So this is a very big triangle over there. So I'm just going to go to elements, take in a big triangle. There you go. Rotate it 90 degrees like this. And then increase the size. There you go. It's at the center now. There you go. I think that should be enough. Then I'm going to add a rectangle or square. There you go. I'll place this right over here. Now once this is done, I'll just go back again to see what's left. So there's another rectangle, so I need another rectangle at the middle over here. There you go. I'm just going to go ahead and increase the width a bit, remove the fill, and add a border to it with the color of white. There you go. And there's also a border over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and place this over here, one and one over here. And again, I will copy this, paste one over here and another one over here. Then after selecting both of this, I am just going to go ahead and increase the width to, let's say 10. 10 is too small, let's say 20. 20 looks good, yes, 20 looks good. But I'm just going to zoom in and see this particular side. There you go. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to first go back here. Now, as you can see, all of my designs are already working. So now what I'm going to do is basically make sure that everything falls perfectly. So now we need a graphic for a person for the middle, right? So I will just go to my uploads over here to see if I have any image that can work pretty well with that. I can use this image if I want to, or this person if I want to over here. So let me just go ahead, go to edit photo, go use the background remover. And just wait for the background remover to kick in. There you go, it's done. And I'm gonna press on done, and there you go, we have our character. I'm just going to place our character right here. There you go. Now I'm just going to compare again to our previous. So we have the name over here. Now we don't have any name for this young lady over here. So what we're going to do, we're going to come up with a name. So I'm just going to add a subheading over here, change the font, like color to this over here. So let's just keep with Jada. Okay. Book 2. Let's give that one as a name for Miss Jada book 2 over here. Then you have to, it's a tech tip channel, so this will be a vlog channel. So I'm just going to go to elements, go and type vlog over here. Underneath graphics, I'm just going to click on see all to see which goes pretty well with my channel. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take an appropriate icon for my vlog type channel over here, which I've made. So I'm just going to go ahead and have this one in. I'm going to lower it down at first. There you go. Copy this, right channel to it. Lower down the font to, let's say, 50. And this one, I'll just scale him down. There you go. And this can be grouped together. So after I have set my vlog channel over here done, now I'm just going to go back over here to see what we have. So we have your social, subscribe, new video every Sunday. So I'm just going to go ahead, copy this, paste this over here. And then I'm going to adjust the color of it to pitch dark. So I'm just gonna add new content. every 3 days. Now I'm just going to move them a little bit downwards. This one as well, a little bit downwards. If I were to zoom out, as you can see, so after new content every 3 days, let me go ahead and check. We have subscribe and we have 3 social links, right? So I'm just going to go for, it says social link over here. I'm going to search. As you can see, social link over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste this over here, then lower it down like this. As you can see, I can also increase it like this, decrease it like that. So let me just lower it down like this over here. And instead of this, I'm just going to design it a little bit differently. So I'll have one social over here. I'll have another social over here. I'll have another social over here. There you go. And over here you have the subscribe over there. So I'm just going to go for non-animated subscribe. I need a non-animated subscribe. This looks okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. So now I'm just going to put the subscribe over here. There you go. Or I can also put the subscribe over here and make my design a little varying compared to before. So what I mean by varying is basically taking, let's say, as I've showed before, a triangle over here, changing the color to the background color over here, and adjusting the color of the text here, and then having the triangle I'll just rotate the triangle like 180 degrees. There you go. Then have a rectangle over here right at the center like this, and a rectangle like this. There you go. So there you go. Everything has been placed perfectly, neatly, and cleanly. And now we have a YouTube banner and it looks stunning as well. So that is how you can go ahead and create YouTube cover pictures. You can also go ahead and create like Facebook banners in the same way. And the things that I taught you on Instagram posts are where you use the lines to create like a frame. You can use that for your Facebook profile pictures as well. You can also use that for cover banners as well, for YouTube as well. So everything which I've taught you, you can apply them in any kind of sector that you want, as long as it is trending, as long as it is still viable, then it will work. So that will be all for this lesson. I'll be seeing you in the next one.